Listen and read. On 14 December, our class went on a field trip to the Liberation War Museum at Segunbagicha, Dhaka. The trip was planned as part of our Bangladesh and Global Studies course. Our bus reached the museum at 10 a.m. A guide was waiting for us. He welcomed us warmly and took us on a quick tour of the different galleries and exhibits of the museum. There were 6 galleries that exhibited rare photographs, documents, and newspaper clippings, and objects used by the freedom fighters and the martyrs of our liberation war. At Gallery 3, our teacher read out to us the Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Some other visitors also stopped and listened to it attentively. As we went inside Gallery 6, we fell silent. We were sad as we looked at the personal belongings of some of our martyred intellectuals and freedom fighters. A pair of glasses, a pen, a notebook, a money bag, a soiled shirt, and other such things. We left the museum at 12:30. Before that, we watched a video film on our liberation war and our independence. It was an experience we will never forget. Talk about the picture.
What are the students doing?
They are making a wall magazine. The magazine is made by and for the students of class 5.
Read the story again. Choose the best answer.
1. The trip was planned as part of their 2. There was dash galleries in the Liberation War Museum. 3. In which gallery their teacher read out the Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman.